Welcome back to TechCrunch. Today we're going to show you the gestures with the Samsung tablet A7 Lite. So basically to lock it is on the top right here. To unlock it here, you can try to swipe and put a pin. And then you can swipe from the top to see the quick settings, but you can also swipe again to see even more. Adjust brightness there. You can do it from other sides too. Then you can go to different apps pages here. You can go for the main one here that shows you a bit of news here. So that's kind of a nice gesture. You can now even touch here for all the apps, and you can see all the apps. Obviously this tablet is new, so it has very little apps, and you see some quick ones on the bottom. You can then, as you can see, there's a little sub menu here on the bottom. This one is to navigate between apps. So we press that, and if there was multiple open, so let's open a few just for the sake. So let's open Chrome. We have one, then we press here, and you can see now Chrome is there. If we had more apps, it would show. Let's open Calendar. It shows there. We can open it again, and now we can toggle within all of that. If we want to close them, we can go like that and swipe them out of there, or close all. Then the one in the middle is like a home. So let's open Chrome again. So it's basically home screen. So we can press again, and it shows you home screen, or we can go again in and go backwards. So we can show backwards, and it goes back one. So depending on what we had done, we can go backwards in our history. Then we can swipe from the bottom, and that opens the app drawer. So you can see all your apps, settings, and so on. And you can swipe again from the bottom to close it. So open, close, just as much as from the top. Open it, we can push it up, and it disappears. So then volume up and down is here. So we can see volume up, volume down on this volume rocker. And that's basically all the settings that you have in as gestures as you're using the tablet. As you can see, I can scroll to the sides, from the top, from the bottom. You can see basically that is all you have as gestures with the Samsung Tab A7 Lite. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Bye.